Robot workers replacing human jobs, starting sooner than you think? Hey everyone, welcome to Learn Something Everyday channel where we talk, learn, and discover new things every single week. If you're curious about everything and wanting to have a little bit of information about everything, well, you are in the right channel. Because here we've got something for everyone, so stick around until the end because I bet you don't want to miss every single detail of our topic for today. The 5 human jobs robots will replace first, starting sooner than you think. Let's talk about something that almost everyone is whispering about, but only a few really understand. Robot workers replacing human jobs. You've seen it online. You've heard rumors from coworkers. Maybe you've even felt it in your workplace. That strange feeling that the future isn't just coming, it's already here. So today we're diving deep into the 5 human jobs that experts predict will disappear first because of robots and AI. Not 40 years from now, not in the next generation, but within the next few years. And at the end, I'll share life lessons and powerful wisdom that can help anyone survive, adapt, and even grow in this new world. Let's start with chapter 1. Why companies are replacing humans. Let's begin with a simple truth. Businesses aren't replacing humans because they hate us. They're replacing humans because robots are cheaper, faster, more precise, don't get sick, don't ask for raises, don't go home at 5 p.m. And for companies fighting to stay alive in a competitive world, this is extremely tempting. Amazon already uses 750,000 robots in its warehouses. Tesla's gigafactories rely on robotic arms that operate almost 24/7. McDonald's is testing AI drive-thrus and robot fry cooks. Grocery stores are adding self-checkout lanes. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the present. Chapter 2, the first jobs robots will replace. First, warehouse and factory workers. This is already happening. Robots can pack, sort, lift, carry, and move items faster than a team of humans. Factories in China are running lights-out production. Factories that run with 0 people inside. Robots don't need lights, so they literally turn the lights off. Second, cashiers and retail staff. Self-checkout machines are everywhere. AI cashiers can scan items, handle payments, and speak multiple languages. The shift is subtle but powerful. Stores are hiring fewer people each year. Third, call center agents. AI voices are becoming eerily human-like. They don't get tired. They don't get emotional. They don't put people on hold. Many companies have already started replacing human agents with AI systems that handle calls instantly. Fourth, drivers, taxi, delivery, and transport. Self-driving cars aren't perfect yet, but they're improving fast. Amazon delivery robots already deliver packages. Walmart is testing driverless trucks. Uber is aiming for a driverless fleet. Imagine millions of drivers competing with robots that don't need salary. Fifth, low-level office workers. Entry-level tasks like data entry, basic accounting, scheduling, filing, report generation. AI can do this task in seconds. This is the quiet revolution few are noticing. Chapter 3, the hidden problem. Automation poverty. What happens when millions lose their jobs? Some people adopt, some people reskill, but many fall into automation poverty, the inability to compete against machines. This isn't just an economic problem, it's a psychological one. People start asking, am I still useful? What will happen to my career? How will I feed my family? This fear is spreading globally. Chapter 4, The Life Lessons People Must Learn Now. Here is the truth everyone must understand. First, adaptability is the new job security. The people who survive the future are not the strongest, but the ones who adapt the fastest. Second, become a lifelong learner. If you stop learning, you fall behind. If you keep learning, you stay ahead. Third, build skills robots can't replace. Robots can replace labor. AI can replace routine thinking, but they cannot replace human wisdom, leadership, empathy, creativity, moral judgment. These are your superpowers. Fourth, don't fear the future. Prepare for it. Fear paralyzes. Preparation empowers. Final words of wisdom. Technology is not the enemy. The real enemy is refusing to evolve. The world is changing, whether we like it or not. But with awareness, adoption, and courage, we can shape a future where humans and machines work together, not against each other. Alright, if you had fun listening to this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like button, as well as the bell button for you to get notified whenever I posted a new video. And also share the good vibes. And don't forget to drop a comment. What are your thoughts about this topic and what are your biggest takeaways from tuning in to this channel? And lastly, what do you want to talk about next? Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.